Please read the installation and safety instructions before you start. You will need a measuring tape and the help of a second person for the assembly. Okay, let's go! First of all, unlock the covers and fold them up. Then turn the toothed wheels in the open arrow direction until it stops. Repeat these steps on the other side of the basic carrier bars. Now remove the two retaining plates of the bicycle holder. Then slide the larger retaining plate into the front basic carrier. On the bottom of the basic carrier, you will find the corresponding mark. The smaller retaining plate belongs in the rear basic carrier. Grab a second person and now lift the front basic carrier bar onto the roof of the vehicle. Then align the basic carrier bar on the railing according to the measurements from the instructions. Turn the toothed wheel on both sides in the direction of the arrow close until it audibly engages. One tooth of the wheel must point downwards. Check that clamping claws and supports are form locked on the roof rails. Then close the covers and lock the basic carrier bar. The rear basic carrier bar must be mounted with the distance to the front basic carrier bar specified in the instructions. The assembly works in the same way. First, position the mountings of the bike holder to the just measured distance. Then tighten the screws. Open the holder and pull out the tensioning strap. Now you can slide the long protective sleeve over the tensioning strap. Then slide the short protective sleeves onto the other straps. The bicycle holder is now ready for loading. Place the bicycle onto the bicycle holder and attach it to the holder. Lock the tensioning strap. Then guide the straps through the wheel rims and tighten them. Make sure that only the protective sleeves come in contact with the rims. Then lift the bicycle holder together onto the roof of the vehicle. Slide the retaining plates into the mountings and tighten the screws on both sides. That's it. Now you are ready to go. To ensure that you are always safe on the road, regularly check all screws, locking mechanisms, holders and straps. Note that the maximum speed with the bicycle holder attached is 80 miles or 130 kilometers per hour.